This is Joseph A. Layden Jr. Today's date is 15 September 2015, and I want to introduce you to my survival programs and a couple other things. I've revamped this over and over and over again for the last year and a half, couple of years, and it comes down to this. This is the 2012 Ultra Advanced Anytime, Anywhere Survival Program Total Package. This is progressive work since I started putting my survival programs together back in 1991. What I'm going to do here real quick is show you each package. That's it. If you click the button 2012 Ultra Advanced Anytime Anywhere Survival Program Total Package, the abbreviation, just click it up there on top of the web browser there, and I go in detail of each package. So let me just point out each package for right now. Like I said, you want details, just click that button, you go into the package itself. I mean the survival program itself. Stand by. Okay, this is package 1. This is where I started back in 1991. This is the Anytime Anywhere Survival Program. And here's all the newsletters. Huge. Huge. The package 1 got so big I started writing newsletters. At this time I got 46 newsletters. And these ain't no sissy newsletters. For example, the 2005 newsletters, that newsletter alone, the 2005, is over 100,000 word count. And that'll give you more, academically, that'll give you more good survival than any course you can ever go to. And that includes the military courses. This is package 3. And right there I got Mountain Man Survival Tricks, Texas Ranger Survival Tricks, and 839 International Survival Tricks used by Indians, Bushmen, Nomads, and more. And package 4, one of my favorite subjects, 375 International Prisoner Survival Tricks. And those are my SEER notes right there. I didn't know I was going to do this when I got out of the Army. I just happened to keep my SEER notes. These are the unclassified portion. And here's package 5. 269 fishing tricks, international fishing tricks, and 339 international emergency foods, emergency water, and more. And there's the next package, package 6. This is 900. Hey, hunting is hard enough. Legal hunting is hard enough. In a survival situation, it's worse. And these two books will help you out. 99 Pied Piper tricks to get all kinds of animals to come to you. And this next book, same thing. It talks about critters more. 259 International Smart Critter Survival Tricks. Hey, the Bushmen tribes, Native American Indians, they all learn their survival starting from plants, insects, small game, big game. That's how they started learning their survival. Here's package 7. Package 7, this is health survival. This is the Gettysburg program. You got the short version and the full version. This took me 4.5 years to write. This is leaning towards alternative health care. I mean, you taking care of yourself instead of conventional medicine, which is drugs and surgery. Next package, package number 8, 199 International Emergency First Aid applications and more. And then we go into How I Saved My Cat Sylvester. That's a true story. My cat was on vet drugs for 5 months. I finally took him off them vet drugs, and I took matters into my own hand. And right now, that happened in the vet one and put him to sleep back in the winter of 2013, and he's still alive today. A few years later, and 169 Lose It Else, Weight Loss Facts, Tricks, and More. That's a good book. 60% of Americans are overweight. And this is Advanced Land Navigation here. This is a great course here. It starts you out from zero, from nothing. If you draw a circle in the air, go ahead and do it. That's a hilltop on any map anywhere in the earth. And then I take you up from there to learning geo-coordinates, geographical coordinates, latitude, longitude, degrees, minutes, seconds, anywhere on the earth. And here's package 10. 179 International Killer Hot Desert Survival Tricks, and to coincide with that, on the other spectrum of the other side is the 89 Emergency Cold Weather Survival Tricks. As a matter of fact, that book right there has been updated. You're getting more like 160, okay? So don't worry about the title. I haven't had time to change the title yet. Anyway, then you got 77 International Forecasters of Weather, Earthquakes, Tornadoes, and more. And you got the next package. Package 11, you got 6 videos. You got several DVDs there, rather. And those are taking some good field craft. Okay, full expedient direction, true survival kits, and so on. You can read that all on when you click that page here. And here's the baby here, right here. This is, let me zoom in. Save My Life, Basic, Advanced, and Ultra Advanced Emergency Survival Tricks and more. You're not going to find this anywhere on the earth. And it comes with a book there, 477 pages, and 16 DVD videos. 16 DVD videos. I'll brag right now. You could put all them guys on TV, line them all up. You could put all the military SERE instructors, line them up. Nobody will have more real emergency fire starting and fire sustaining than I got right there, and that's a stone cold fact. Let me get on the next package. Stand by. Well, package 13, that's shoot fire from hands. That's not in here. That's actually in those DVD videos in that book right there. You get the exact plans. Shoot fire from hands up to 39 feet away. Okay? And then you got 2 special reports in that book, 55 Incredible Mysteries, all true, except for the very last one, Exodus is Genesis. That's a book I'm writing. All that's in that book right there. All right there, as you can see, you get the 747 jumbo tool. I teach you how to make all these yourself. All this stuff you see here as far as fire starting, emergency fire starting, the Fieldcraft type, I teach you how to make them. And right there you got 747 jumbo tool. You got 7 survival kits, 4 solid fuel rolls, and 7 fire bugs. And above that, you got the fire nuggets, the fireball, and you got the Shackleton wipes. And you got the 911 light dildo. You got the flashlight. You got the luminescent tacks there. You got backup batteries for the flashlight, by the way. And you got a chem stick. Oops, sorry. Think you can see that? Okay. And package 16, right there, you got a combination tool, walkie-talkies with backup batteries, and you got the Layden emergency stoves. I make those, and I show you how to make them in the 747 Jumbo Tool Guide. And my cookies. You got 5 emergency trail mix cookies. They're good for eating, and they're good for emergency fire starting. But as far as this thing goes, you can't eat them. I'm not making them for you to eat. And this is the last package. This is excuse my language, this is the Go to Ship Plan emergency package, and it's based on my own experience as well in the military. You get in a situation where everything goes wrong and your life's on the line, the whole team's on the line. Well, you got your ace in the hole, and we called it the Go to Ship Plan. And in this instance, this is the Go to Ship Plan emergency package. What it has in there, it satisfies the 8 elements of survival, which are fire, water, shelter, first aid, signal, food, weapons, and navigation. And I jazzed them up, and it also satisfied psychological type things in that backpack. I'm not going to tell you what they are, but I will tell you some of the things there. If you just stay put and people know that you're lost and they're looking for you, if you just go off some of that stuff